Could Iran actually hit or destroy a US aircraft carrier?
A US aircraft carrier, like the USS Abraham Lincoln, is not just a ship. It is a massive floating military base, nearly the size of a small city at sea. The Nimitz-class carrier stretches over 330 meters long, carries more than 5,000 crew members, and launches over 60 combat aircraft from its deck. But the carrier never sails alone. It moves with a powerful carrier strike group, a defensive shield of advanced warships, submarines, and aircraft. Destroyers such as the USS Arleigh Burke sail alongside it, forming a protective ring designed to detect and destroy threats long before they reach the carrier. These ships operate one of the most advanced naval defense networks ever built, the Aegis Combat System. Using powerful radar arrays, it can track more than 100 targets at the same time, scanning hundreds of kilometers across the ocean and sky. When an incoming missile is detected, interceptors like the RIM-174 Standard Missile 6 launch from vertical launch systems at speeds exceeding Mach 3, racing toward the threat to destroy it high above the fleet before it gets close. If anything manages to slip through that layer of defense, the fleet still has a final line of protection. The Phalanx close-in weapon system activates automatically, a radar-guided Gatling gun capable of firing 4,500 rounds per minute, shredding incoming missiles within seconds. Meanwhile, fighter jets such as the F/A-18 Super Hornet patrol hundreds of kilometers around the strike group, intercepting enemy aircraft and drones long before they can even approach the fleet. With layers of defense in the air, on the sea, and beneath the waves, a US carrier strike group is considered one of the most heavily protected military formations on Earth. That is why targeting a US aircraft carrier is considered one of the most dangerous and difficult missions any military could attempt.